Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Today I would like to present my topic titled The Benefit of Flashcard for Enhanced English Vocabulary. My name is Henry Kurniawan and my student number is 076. In this presentation, I will explain how flashcard can help students learn and remember English words more efficiently. First one is introduction. Flashcards are one of the learning media or visual aid consisting of two side cards, with the one side containing the target word and the other side is meaning, translation, or picture. This learning tool is used to train memory recall and strengthen long-term repetition through spaced repetition technique. Flashcards are designed to make vocabulary learning more enjoyable, easier to understand, and interactive. Their use is not limited to children only, but can also increase learner motivation, interest, and active participant across different age level. Jadi pada bagian ini menjelaskan bahwa pengertian flashcard sebagai media belajar kartu dua sisi yang membantu mengingat kosakata melalui pengulangan. Media ini disebut menyenangkan, interaktif, dan bisa digunakan untuk semua umur. Selanjutnya pada bagian summary, these three studies collectively demonstrate that the use of flashcards is an effective learning strategy for improving English language comprehension and retention at various levels of education, both in Indonesia and globally. According to research conducted by Lay and Reynolds 2022 in this journal Frontier in Psychology, which analyzed 32 studies, vocabulary learning using flashcards, both physical and digital, has been shown to be effective in helping students remember words more strongly through two main principles: retrieval practice and spaced repetition. These findings are reinforced by research by Andi, Wiguna, and Arini, 2022, conducted at Horary School, Denpasar, Bali. At the preschool level, observation and interview reveal that the use of flashcards demonstrates a very high success rate, with the children able to recall up to 91.5% of the vocabulary taught during the learning process. This success was influenced by a combination of visual media, fun activities such as song and game, and direct interaction between teacher and student. Jadi pada paragraf ini merangkum hasil penelitian pertama dan kedua. Lay and Reynolds menunjukkan efektivitas flashcard berdasarkan teori, sedangkan Andari dan kawan-kawan membuktikan di TK bahwa anak-anak bisa mengingat hingga 91,5% kosakata dengan bantuan lagu dan permainan. In addition to early childhood, the use of flashcards is also effective for adolescents, according to research by Solistiorini and Fitriani, 2021. Conducted at the junior high school level in Indonesia, the study used the classroom action research method consisting of two learning cycles. Data were obtained through pretest and post-test to assess improvement in study vocabulary mastery. The result of this study show a significant improvement, with the student average score increased from 58.2 in the first cycle to 83.5 in the second cycle. In addition, to improve learning outcome, the researcher also notes change in student learning behavior, becoming more active, enthusiastic, and motivated to participate in class activities. Overall, these three studies confirm that flashcard function is not only as an effective visual learning aid, but also as an interactive medium that can improve memory, encourage student engagement, and create a more enjoyable and dynamic language learning environment for students for all ages. Jadi pada paragraf ini menunjukkan hasil penelitian di tingkat SMP oleh Solistiorini dan Fitriani. Skor meningkat dari 58,2 ke 83,5 dan siswa jadi lebih aktif serta termotivasi. Kesimpulannya, flashcard efektif di semua tingkat usia. Selanjutnya, analysis of argument. From this research, we can understand that using flashcard is an effective strategy in learning English vocabulary because it combines visual, cognitive, and interactive aspects. Flashcards not only function as a learning aid to introduce new vocabulary, but also strengthens long-term memory through retrieval practice and spaced repetition. Its studies show that their effectiveness depends on how they are implemented in the classroom, the age of the student, and their involvement in the learning process. This proves that even simple learning media can improve learning outcome and motivation for students. Analisis ini menjelaskan bahwa alasan kenapa flashcard sangat efektif karena melibatkan visual, lalu berpikir secara kognitif dan interaksi. Keberhasilannya tergantung pada penerapan di kelas dan keterlibatan siswanya bagaimana. Consistent of flashcard, whether digital or physical, can improve vocabulary mastery. Data show that your young children can remember up to 91.5% of vocabulary with the help of flashcards combined with a song and game. Meanwhile, research examining adolescents show significant improvement in both vocabulary score and learning motivation. Thus, flashcards are proved to be effective as a simple yet impactful learning medium for improving vocabulary mastery at various levels of education. Paragraf ini memperkuat bukti bahwa flashcard efektif baik dalam bentuk digital maupun fisik, dan untuk anak-anak maupun remaja. Selanjutnya, evaluation. Based on the evaluation of the three research journals, it can be concluded that flashcards are an effective and flexible learning tool for improving vocabulary mastery. Each student support the idea that the use of flashcards can enhance both short-term and long-term memory. Lee and Reynolds proving a strong theoretical foundation and empirical evidence showing that the principle of spaced repetition and retrieval practice can strengthen memory. While Andre et al. And Solistiorini and Veteriani demonstrate their successful appreciation in real classroom setting, leading to increased student engagement and learning outcome. This finding indicate that flashcards not only serve a memorization aid but also function as an interactive and motivating medium that create enjoyable and meaningful learning experience. Bagian evaluasi ini menyimpulkan bahwa flashcard itu efektif secara teori maupun praktik, tidak hanya untuk menghafal tetapi juga membuat pembelajaran lebih menyenangkan dan bermakna. Next, judgment. In my opinion, the use of flashcards play a role in supporting vocabulary learning and overall skill development. All three studies show that using flashcards can help students not only memorize but also understand and use them more effectively in speaking, reading, and writing. Therefore, teachers should pay more attention to the use of flashcards as a part of their vocabulary teaching strategy, combining them with the engaging activities such as games, song, and digital media. I believe this method is especially useful in EFL contexts like Indonesia, where students often struggle with the vocabulary retention and require more interactive learning experience. Menurut pendapat saya sendiri, flashcard itu bukan hanya untuk menghafal saja, tetapi bisa membantu keterampilan lain seperti berbicara dan menulis. Cocok untuk konteks pembelajaran karena membuatnya menjadi lebih interaktif dan menarik. The last one is references. Di sini adalah 3 jurnal yang saya gunakan untuk membuat tugas ini. Sebelumnya, terima kasih sudah menonton. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.